Hey guys, welcome to Red 5. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, so in today's video, I am really excited as I finally get some fitment issues fixed on my 2019 Mustang GT with the Corsa Extreme active exhaust. So as most of you guys know, I do have Corsa Extreme active exhaust installed on my 2019 Mustang GT, and it's been almost a year, actually more than a year, since I've had this installed. And it actually, when I first got installed, it had a pretty bad fitment. Now I know when I was looking into Corsa Extreme, people did say for 2018 and up Mustang, the fitment sometimes is not perfect. So I knew that I was kind of going in with that, but this was more of an installation issue than the actual Corsa product. What ended up happening was actually when I first got installed, I knew the fitment was off. It was definitely like a very slanted design. As you can see, it's more of an Lexus ISF or RCF type of exhaust fitment. That's not really what you get for your Mustang GT. So I knew it had to be fixed, but this was all around late February to early March. And I was like, I'll give it 1 week, drive it around, and then next weekend I can take it in. Next thing you know, we got hit with whatever everything was going around at that time, and there was entire lockdowns, and I could not do anything about it. Plus, not to mention, the car wasn't being driven as much, so I kind of just forgot about it. Every time I saw it, it kind of, reminded me of it. But overall, when I was driving, I was enjoying the sound of the Corsa Extreme Active Exhaust so much that I could care less how they looked from the outside and what everyone else saw. I mean, you have to take a look at this sound. Hear it out for yourself. That does sound awesome, doesn't it? So, I mean, with that kind of exhaust, it just sounds amazing. I could care less about the fitment. This is not a show car. But I got a lot of comments on my YouTube videos, get the fitment fixed, get the fitment fixed. And I was like, you know what? It's time. I need to do it. So this weekend, I finally went ahead, went to my shop and told them, like, hey, you guys installed it. I never just kind of got around it, but can you please fix the fitment? So they tried it. It's not still nearly as perfect as I would like it to be, but the RCF or ISF Lexus style exhaust tips are finally gone. They look much better now compared to what they were prior to getting this fitment fixed. We tried to push it up a little bit more just to get as close to a fit as you can, but the thing is the active exhaust valve was hitting against the exhaust hanger, and he suggested he could trim out the exhaust hanger a little bit and get the fitment to be even more perfect. But I figured if we were to do that, it's a new car, I don't want some hacked up job just yet. So I was like, it doesn't bother me as much. At least the Lexus style exhaust tips are gone, and I could probably live with that. They're still not up as high as I would like them to be, but they're doable and look much better than what they were prior to getting this fixed. So guys, there you have it on the Corsa Extreme fitment fix for the 2019 Mustang GT. I could probably reach out to Corsa if I really wanted to ask them for advice on how to fix the fitment, or maybe if I have a defective part or something that they can a replacement. I've heard I've heard that Corsa is really great with their warranty, and they pretty much send you stuff without questions asked, and they'll guide you on the installation if needed. So I mean, it does come with a lifetime warranty. So as of right now, I'm pretty satisfied as to what I have currently, because like I said, the exhaust sounds absolutely amazing. But maybe in the future, I will try to reach out to them if it really starts bothering me, and then see if there's any guidance that they can provide so I can finally fix the fitment on these Corsa Extreme for the 2019 Mustang GT. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the 2019 Mustang GT Corsa Extreme. If you are in the market for an aftermarket exhaust for your 2018 and up Mustang, I highly recommend Corsa Extreme for your build, because it's one of those exhausts that's very loud. It's probably one of the loudest setup you can get without going catless or headers. It depends on how much gas you really give. So if I'm just cruising around and barely giving it any gas, it can be very quiet until I step on the gas, which I feel like makes it a perfect exhaust where when you want it to be absolutely loud when you want it to be, but there are times where you just don't want to piss off your neighbors, or you're just in a area where you don't want to feel like you're showing off too much, So that really helps quieting things down a bit. Of course, I got the active exhaust, so I've got the quiet mode to begin with. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video and comment below what your thoughts are on the Corsa Extreme Fitment for the 2019 Mustang GT or even 2018 Mustang GTs. And as always, subscribe to Red50 for more Mustang content.